நிமிஷம் கழிச்சு தட்டா இப்போயே வேணுமா?
இப்போவே வேணும்.
Sir, 5 minutes, sir. Sir, இல்லை சார் 5 minutes ஆகுது சார். ஸ்கேன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
Yes. Anybody can ask any doubt from term test 2 portion? Tell me, students, if you have any doubt.
சார் அந்த லேட்டர் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம் சார். 1 minute சார். சார் தெரியாதா சார் உங்களுக்கு?
Sir,
சார் தெரியுதா சார் உங்களுக்கு?
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt in term test 11. Sir.
Term test 11. 1 minute, I will open the page.
சார்
So just 1 minute.
சார் 1 minute சார்.
Yes, I opened the paper. Tell me which question you want.
Sir, 13th question, can you please explain?
13.
Yes.
Train travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 84 kilometers and then travels a distance of 96 kilometers at an average speed of 8 kilometers per hour more than its original speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, then find its original speed and find the time taken by the train to travel 364 kilometers. Okay, here two types of distances are given. Distance 1, it is 84 kilometers. For this distance, to cover 84 kilometers distance, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, I see. Yes.
Let us assume that the speed to cover 84 kilometers B is original speed. B x kilometers per hour. Then the time taken to travel 84 kilometers, time is equal to distance by speed. By this formula, we can say that the time is
84
time
by
take 84 by
X.
x
சார்
hours.
நான் சார் மறந்துட்டேன் சார்.
The second type of distance is
சார் இந்த லைன் சார்
96 kilometers, and the speed will be 8 kilometers more than its original, means x plus 8 kilometer per hour. Then time will be x plus 8 upon 96 hours. So total time taken is 3 hours. So by adding T1 and T2 here, 84 by x plus x plus,
Or it will be 96 by X by 8. X
yeah,
plus
sorry.
And,
96 by speed x plus 8, yeah. Then 84 by x plus 96 upon x plus 8.
வித்யா சர்வ
Total time is 3 hours. This is the equation we have. By simplifying it, we will get a quadratic equation, and by solving it, we will get the original speed, that is x kilometer per hour. The LCM of the denominators is x into x plus 8. The numerator will be 84 into x plus 8 plus 96x equal to 3. Then we have 84x plus 84 into 8 plus 96x upon x square plus
சார்
8x
இங்க
is equal to 3.
சர்வேகி மனுஷன்
Implies that 96 plus 84 is 180x
ஓகே சார் சர்வேகி
plus 84 into 8,
எஸ் சார்
I don't know how much the product, is equal to, by cross multiplying we are getting 3x square plus 3 into 8, 24x on RHS. Then it will be 3x square plus 24x minus 180x minus 84 into 8 is equal to 0. Then 3x square minus 156x minus 84 into 8. Now we can divide it by 3. Is it possible for all the coefficients? Possible, no? So by dividing the equation with the 3, we are getting x square minus 3 5s, 3 2s, in 52x minus 3 2s, 3
So 224.
into, huh?
So minus 224.
Where? So second one? Second
So
term
no,
you are
sir,
saying?
third one I think.
Okay. Then it implies that x square minus 52x, 28 8s.
வினா
You are saying, how much you are saying?
So minus 224 is equal to 0.
324, yeah, minus
சார்
324.
நோ சார்
To solve this equation,
So 224.
160, 64, yeah, 224. By solving this equation, you will get two roots. Consider the positive root as the original speed of the train, okay?
Okay, sir.
And the time taken by the train to travel 364 kilometers means you have to take distance as 364 and the speed, original speed. Then find out the time.
So actually the speed of the train I got it as 56 kilometer per hour.
Okay.
Sir, and then with the new distance given as 364 kilometers. So, so next step is like we can directly find the time by
Yeah,
dividing.
you have to divide 364 by the speed what you got for x.
It's coming 6.5 hours.
Yeah, it can be decimal, no? You can leave it in a improper fraction.
Okay.
Any other doubt you have?
Sir, no, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Anybody student? Anybody else? Any other doubt? what? 11th one. 10 times of 10. Dictate now, let it.
Sir, passage full mark.
Yes, all of you listen here. One more question I am going to explain. It is from arithmetic progression. Just come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, all of you observe this question here in an AP. 10 times of 10th term. Generally, we represent the 10th term with the A10, 10th term with AN. So, 10 times of 10th term can be written as 10 into A10. So, 1 second.
First term exam. ధ్యానేన పఠంతు పడు
Visible or not? Yes, all of you observe here in an AP, 10 times of 10th term is the same as 15 times of 15th term. It's 15 into A15. This is given. We suppose to prove that its 25th term is 0. That is the question. Let us assume that the first term as A.
Okay, sir.
That the first term of the AP be A. And the common difference be D. Okay, now by rewriting the above equation in terms of A and D, we'll get it like this. 10 into 10th term means A plus, what is the formula for nth term of an AP? It is A plus of n minus 1 into D. So by using this formula, we can write 10th term as A plus 9D equal to 15 into 15th term means A plus 14D. This is the equation we have. From this equation, we need to get this
Sir,
one.
abhinnam nana, sir.
A25 is 0. A25 means you have to show like this.
Okay, sir.
A plus, first term plus 24D equal to 0. We have to prove like that. So for that, you just modify this equation,
Sir,
take some steps in the modification, then we'll get it directly. First, I am expanding the equation.
Sir, kill button,
Left
sir.
hand side. 10 into A plus 9D is 10A plus 10 into 9. 90D is equal to, on right hand side, it will be 15 into A. 15A plus 15 14s. How much? 210, right?
Aswin said 3, sorry.
210 now. 150 plus 60, 210. Yeah, 210D.
Sir, Aswin said
Now I am going to write all the terms at one side. Your coefficients of the terms in RHS are more. So I am going to take all the terms to that side. Then we will get it like this. 15A plus 210D minus 10A minus 90D is equal to 0. Implies that 15A minus 10A is
Sir,
5A. 210D minus 90D 120D is equal to 0. Still we can divide it by 5 for simplifying it. By dividing the equation with 5, we'll get a plus, or by taking 5 common out, we'll get a plus, yes, 24d is equal to 0. And by transposing 5 to other side, we will get a plus 24d is equal to 0 by 5, which is equal to 0. It implies that 25th term is equal to 0, hence proved. In generalized form, not only for the relation between 10th term and 15th term, in general, in any arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, if we have m times of nth term, m times of mth term is equal to n times of nth term, then definitely it implies that m plus nth term will be 0. M plus nth term will be 0. If the above one is the condition, then definitely the result will be like this. M plus nth term is 0. They may ask question on generalized form also. Procedure is same. Instead of mth term, we will write a plus of m minus 1t. In the place of an, we will write formula a plus of n minus 1 into d, and we will simplify it. Finally, we will get like this. Finally, we will get like this. A plus of m plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Is any other doubt? You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Come on, students, any other doubt?
सर परिवारः
You check all the questions slowly. Wherever you get out, immediately ask.
सर परिवारः न सर ओके सर सर विहर्तुं ओके सर महाभारत Sir, now pulling a mark, steering a mark, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
I have posted my doubt in MS Teams, so can you please take it? Thank you.
You belong to weekend or weekdays?
Sir, weekend.
Oh, okay. What is the question? Find the ratio of the volume of hemispherical dome.
Find the second subdivision on, can you please explain?
Second one. Find the total surface area of the combined figure. Showed the combined figure here. A hemispherical dome with a cuboidal structure mounted on it. Cuboidal structure mounted on it. Find the total surface area of the combined figure, that is the hemispherical dome. The radius 21 meters and cuboidal shaped top of dimension 8 by 6 by 4.
Sir?
Yes, I'm observing.
Sir, for this question, can I please say the method which I did and can you please check whether it is right or yes? So first, actually, the total surface area of the solid is surface area of hemisphere minus base area of cuboid, sir. Since it is surmounted on the dome.
Actually, surmounted means it is a cuboidal. Actually, the base of the cuboid. Am I audible?
Yes.
Base of the cuboid is a flat surface. No, it has flat surface. But hemispherical dome, it contains curved surface on the top. So how the base completely covered by the dome? It is not possible, right?
Yes.
You got my point. If you take a curved shape like this, and at the top there will be some gap between the flat surface and this curved surface. Except at the center. Cuboidal shape. Then how can, while calculating the total surface area, except how much portion of the dome is touching, covering the bottom of the plank or cuboid, that much area only should be removed from the total surface area of dome, right? Or curved surface area of dome. Is
Yes,
not
yes.
how much area is covering is not given here. What is the first question? Find the ratio of the volume of the emissive dome. That is about volume of surface area of the dome, the radius of the dome.
For that I got the answer.
That is direct question.
Yes, yes.
Here,
For the second subdivision amount, sir, first I found out the series of hemisphere, and then the series of cuboid, sir, and then the top area of cuboid is LB, so added it, and then the bottom of the cuboid is subtracted from the CSA of hemisphere, so minus LB. So the plus LB and minus LB will get cancelled out, and then the remaining thing is 2 pi r square plus 2h into L plus B. So by that method I got
by r square
plus 2h into L plus B.
2h into L plus B.
So since the plus LB and minus LB will get cancelled, so but by that method I got the answer as 2884 meters square. Actually in the answer key they gave like the CSA of hemisphere plus the TSA of cuboid minus the TSA
before
of
that, before going to answer, see here you are adding 2h of L plus B because okay, you consider
the
that the total bottom is covered by that dome, so you subtracted the top portion also.
I did it separately,
Then it
so
will be like area of walls.
yes, yes.
Okay, then it will be 2h into L plus B only, but you are not getting answer. The reason is this one, what I said now.
Okay.
No, it is not covering the total portion. No.
So there is some ambiguity in this question.
Come again?
So there is some ambiguity or like some mistake in this question, sir.
See, to construct a cuboidal shape on the top of the hemispherical shape, they have to cut it, I think. They have on the top portion of the dome, they have to make it flat actually. It is a construction, actually it is a monument. If it is a monument, definitely they will make a flat surface on the top, right? Then only they can construct a cuboid.
Yes, so the same dome.
According to the given figure, if you observe, the top portion, cuboidal portion, exactly it is fixed on the top without any gap, I think. If it is like that, then you have to do like what you said now. Then you are saying that you are not getting answer.
Yes.
Which is more, your answer or given key according to the key? Which is more?
So I can't hear you properly. Can you please speak?
When you compare your answer with key, which one is more value? Which one is giving more value?
Answer given in answer key is more.
Answer key is more. Okay.
It's given like CSA of hemisphere plus TSA of cuboid, and then they subtracted the base areas.
They didn't give it properly. Actually, they have to explain how much area is covered by the cuboid. Here separately, one small shape is given at the center separately. What is the difference? You tell me difference between both answers. How much you got?
So I got 2884 meters square. The answer key is given 2932 meters square. Yes.
Okay. The difference is 1648 square meters is the difference. Let us go through the dimensions. The radius is 21 meters. Height is 4.
So actually on LB is extra.
No, 1 LB is more.
We took TSA of cuboid minus the base area of cuboid and then added the CSA to each piece.
Actually, we have to, we are losing 1 LB area from dome also, no?
So, but the logical is saying only the down part will be taken away then, so how can the up one should also be taken away, even though if it's in
Here both the bases are
Yes.
covered by each other, no? Portion from the dome and bottom of the cuboid also, both are close to each other, right? Covered each other.
I don't understand, sir. So it's like on top of
If you tell you about that figure, generally, when you consider two figures, any two solid figures, for example, if you place, if you surmounted some other portion of my arm like this, here this we are losing this area
Yes.
and as well as this area.
Oh, yes.
Okay, 2 times we have to subtract. That is why we are leaving above portion. This is the reason. Why he did like that. Reason is that. But at the same time,
So actually, like in the answer key is given TSA of cuboid, no sir. So that means they are adding plus LB and then subtracting minus LB. Again and again.
no,
So
they
that's
added once again. That is the problem. I think they did wrong. Actually, have to remove. For example, if it is not touching, if it is completely curved portion, okay, if it is not touching means, 1 second, I will come back. 1 second.
Touch.
So by finding TSA means like it will be 2 LB, 2 BH, 2 XL. So that will be twice the LB.
I don't know, ma.
So why they are again and again adding and
Yeah, I understood. That's what I want to say here. If dome is not covered by the total portion of the cuboid, then we have to add 2 times of LB here, all the 3 times. 3 times of, completely 2 pi r square, and we have to take completely the total surface area of cuboid also. If it is not touching, then we will get more than key value. We will get more than key value. But if we are taking only one, if it is covered by, the bottom of the cuboid is covered by the dome, then we will get only how you did. We will get like this. But they added 1 LB more. It is not possible in any of those 2 cases.
So then which one is
It
right?
is wrong, I think. Whether the dome is covered by the cuboid or not, in these 2 cases we are not getting answer as 2932, right?
Yes.
In any one of those 2 cases, not giving this value 2932. So definitely it must be either more than 2932 or 28884, the value you got. So here we can understand that the given answer is wrong, no?
Okay, sir.
So our analysis is correct, or what you thinking, correct or not?
Yes, sir, the same doubt I had, so that's right.
Actually, if they are considering that no portion of the dome is covered by the cuboid, then they have to get more than this value. more than key value, then we have to consider the total surface area formula for cuboid. Then we'll get more than 2932. If it is covered, then we have to take like this, 2h into L plus B. In these two formulae, we are not getting 2932, means something they missed.
Okay.
Kripa.
Or we can think in another way. If the dome is constructed like this, the dome is constructed like this to place the cuboid, then so what will be the difference between this? What will be the difference between the curved surface and a flat surface? Curved surface and flat surface. Can we find that? For flat surface, length is 8 meters and breadth is 6 meters. So flat surface area will be 8 into 6.
Manjusha.
The covered surface area will be less than that, I think. Definitely it will be different. The covered portion. If it is constructed in this way, if they remove this covered portion and if they constructed like a flat surface here at the top, then we have to check how much difference is there between these two surfaces. There is no formula with us to find this curved surface. Flat surface, okay, we can find 8 into 6 by using L into B. But how to find that curved surface on the top of the dome?
How will the curved surface will be attached to the flat one? Shouldn't you actually cut from the next dome?
How to place cuboidal shape on curved surface? Normally it is not possible. No?
Yes, sir.
So in the dome, they have to. It should be like cut portion.
Circle, sir, because it's half of a hemisphere, then the upper part will be circle, right?
1 second. Because it is not a cube, actually it is cuboid. That's why we are getting.
Yes, sir. But if you
Once
cut
again. Let us see one separate portion is given in the figure. Let us see that also. Here.
there it's cut one, that's the inner circle.
Okay. Let us try in a different way. Sanjay, here see what I am saying. If the above portion, if it is cut like this, we are getting a rectangular shape there, flat surface. Then we have to find the circle, area of the circle circumscribing this rectangle. Diameter of the rectangle is same as the diameter of that circle.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Diameter means it is 8 and 6, no, it will be 10. Length is 8 meters. Breadth of the cuboid is 6 meters. Then diagonal will be 10 meters. Means the diameter is 10 meters. Radius is 5 meters. Radius is 5 meters.
Okay.
So here, if you remove this portion, this rectangular portion, then now I am shading. The shaded portion will be calculated as surface area of the dome. Okay. How much is that? We have to calculate the area of the circle first. From area of the circle pi r square, let us remove area of rectangle 6 into 8. Let us see how much we get it. 25 into here pi value is given as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 minus 48. Even in this way, we are not getting integral value. Let us see. Then 2 pi, again I have to subtract 2 pi r square from 2 pi r square. This r is different again. Let us take radius of the dome as r1. R1. 2 pi r1 square minus, we have to remove the area of circle. Area of the circle formed on the top, that is 25 pi. 5 square, radius is 5, no? Or R2 square. Are you following, Sanjay?
Sir, yes.
Pi R2 square. What is pi R2 square here? Area of the square, area of the circle formed on the top after making it, making a flat surface at the top. A circular flat surface. So for that radius is R2. I am subtracting it from 2 pi R square. And again from it, area of the rectangle is covered. Area of the rectangle is covered. So I am subtracting area of the rectangle. That is L into B. And again I am adding the shaded portion, which I shown in this figure. For shaded portion again, from area of the circle pi R2 square, subtract LB.
So that minus pi r2 square, I'm not able to understand.
Yeah. Pi R2 square is
Then you
making
got
difference.
Plus
Plus 2h into L plus B. See, is it okay? Any correction is required here?
Sir, both the radius are like that minus pi r2 square alone can repeat again. Sir.
This is to be reduced.
No, sir, that step alone can repeat again, sir. So which
Actually, this is for when a dome is constructed before arranging a cuboid on it. Assume like that. Before going to arrange cuboid on the top of the dome, let us construct a dome first by taking a flat surface at the top. Okay?
Yes.
Then what is the top here? In this top, no.
sir, easy sir.
To remove dome area. It's not circle area. Dome area means it will be again
minus a whole dome minus
2 pi r square. Yeah, 2 pi r square it is. 2 pi r2 square. Okay, now I'm coming back, Sanjay. See here, this is the dome.
Sir,
Curved surface area of the dome is 2 pi r1 square, where r1 is its radius. Okay, that is the first term.
Okay, sir.
So because of making flat surface on its top, at the top they cut a circular shape. So when a hemisphere, when we truncate a hemispherical shape parallel to the base, what we obtain?
8th first one.
We'll get a circular flat surface. No, there. You understood what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
Or you just visualize a ball, a spherical shape, a ball. When you cut a portion like this,
First one, third.
then that cut portion, the truncated portion looks like a circle, no?
Yes, I am able to understand.
Cross section of the truncated portion will be a circle. Now I am talking about that circle. That circle we require. Actually, there should be a dome. Actually, at the top there should be a dome like this again. A hemispherical shape should be there, but we cut it. We cut that portion. So we have to remove this curved surface and we have to add this flat surface. To to get surface area of the dome without cuboid, right? Am I audible?
So how we are taking it as minus 2 by R2 square?
Here, if we imagine, if it is in a spherical shape again, this portion, if it is a spherical shape, where its base is a circle, for that I am removing a curved surface area. I am removing curved surface area and I am adding LB. Let us assume like this. 2 by R1 square is a CSA of the dome.
Yes, yes.
This 2 by R2 square is curved surface area of the small bowl, small hemisphere on the top, which we cut it.
Okay.
And then after cutting that, we are getting a flat surface at the top. No, it has some surface, rectangular surface. I am adding that here.
Okay.
Now what I am saying, till here we will get surface area of the dome, right?
Yes.
Now I am adding, after placing cuboid on the top, we will miss this L into B, no? This L into B will be covered, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This L into B will be covered, and the L into B of cuboid will be covered. So we have to remove 2 times of LB and then add total surface. Or otherwise, we can say like this. From total surface area of cuboid, remove 2 times of LB. You understood this? Once again I am repeating, till here it is curved surface area of the dome without cuboid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then I am adding remaining portion of the cuboid after placing cuboid.
So since the cuboid is mounted on the dome, sir,
Yeah.
why we are subtracting 2 of LB, sir? So just minus
because 1 LB of the dome and 1 LB of the cuboid, both are missing, no? They are covering each other. Okay. Bottom of the cuboid and the top of the dome, both are covering each other, right?
Yes, it is.
That covered portion is nothing but 2 times of LB. Got it?
Yes, got it, sir.
So that is why I subtracted 2 times of LB and I added the total surface area. Otherwise, from total surface area, I subtracted 2 times of LB for that covered portion. Then we are getting 2 pi R1 square minus, let us, what is the time now? Okay, time is there, 6 minutes. Here 2 pi, take 2 pi common out, then R1 square means, what is the radius of the dome? It's 21.
So 21.
21 square minus R2 square means it is 5 square plus LB minus, okay, plus LB is required, plus LB plus 2 times of BH plus HL minus 2LB plus 2LB cancel.
Okay.
2 into 20, in this way also we are not getting answer, I think. 441 minus 25 plus LB means 6 into 8, 8 into 6.
So 48.
Plus 2 times of, how much is BH plus HL? Measurements 4, no? 6 into 4 plus 4 into 8. Then we are getting 44 upon 7 into 441 minus 25 is 416 plus 48 plus 2 times of 24 plus 32.
So 56.
56. Then can 7 cancel? 416, 35. It's not possible, no?
Yes, not possible.
66 approximate value we are getting.
So then it goes in decimal.
Goes in decimal. Anyway, we are not getting. Let us see whether it is close to that or not. Do you have any?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
How much we are getting?
Two seven seven four.
2774. How much is given? 2932. We are not getting that answer also. So then it is wrong answer clearly. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, students. We'll meet again in the next class. Bye.
So since it is clearly not mentioned about the top of the dome, whether it is
We don't know
surface.
whether it is completely touching with surface of the dome or not. So in that way also we tried it now. It is
So
possible
it is
only, see here,
the method.
to surmount it completely on the top of the dome is possible only when there is a flat surface on the dome. So without flat surface, with flat surface, in both ways we tried, but we are not
Yes.
getting, right?
Yes.
That means that data is insufficient actually. Okay,
So it is better to go by the method which I did, sir.
better to go.
With the method.
Yeah, correct. Better to go how you did.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.